Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize brand awareness with Sprout Social, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by creating a Sprout Social account if you don't have one. Log in to your Sprout Social dashboard. Navigate to the Brands section on the left-hand menu. Begin with setting up your brand profile. Fill in your brand's basic information, including name, website, and logo. Next, define your brand's tone of voice. Identify your target audience to tailor your messaging. Utilize the Content Calendar feature to plan your posts strategically. Schedule your content to align with peak engagement times. Create engaging and visually appealing posts that reflect your brand identity. Use Sprout's analytics tools to monitor engagement rates on your posts. Analyze which types of content resonate best with your audience. Adjust your content strategy based on these analytics insights. Leverage Sprout's listening tools to track brand mentions and sentiment. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages promptly. Collaborate with team members through Sprout's internal communication features. Set up social media campaigns to target specific goals, such as brand awareness or lead generation. Utilize hashtags strategically to increase your content's reach. Create reports to measure the effectiveness of your branding efforts. Regularly review your analytics to adapt your approach as needed. Ensure continuous improvement by testing different types of content. Stay updated on social media trends to keep your brand relevant. Utilize Sprout Social's features to create a cohesive and recognizable brand presence across platforms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.